If you want to know where's Google Play Store on your Philips Google TV, then let me show you how to open Play Store so that you can download and install apps or games and browse all the apps that's available on your Philips Smart TV. If you know which app you want to install, then you can easily get that app by going to the Apps tab and then using the Search for Apps and Games function to find the app that you're looking for. Then you can select the app and install it. You can also view apps by categories and some feature apps. And as you can see, it doesn't show all the apps and there's no way to browse all the games. For that, you'll need to open Play Store. And to do that, you'll need to use Google Assistant voice command by holding down the Google Assistant button and then saying Play Store. Now you can go up and switch between the apps page or the games page. Now you can install every app that you want. So that's how you can get apps or games using Google Play Store on your Philips Smart TV. So don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to support us, and enjoy.